Hey there, how's it going? This is Ash from Page Profits. If you talk about email marketing, there are several hundreds of tools out there that you could possibly be using. But out of all of those, there are a few that are highly recommended. Kit.com, which was earlier ConvertKit, now rebranded to Kit.com. We're going to explore how to build a landing page inside Kit because landing page happens to be the first step that you need to take if you ever wanted to grow your list. Marketing list is what makes you money. Marketing list always stays in your control, and your marketing list can be segmented and sorted. I've already created a video on how to create a landing page with MailChimp. You can get a link for that video in the description below. It will also show up on the top right corner. Inside Kit, you have options here which say grow, send, automate, earn and learn. Where you will find landing pages is in the grow tab here. Click on landing pages and forms. This is where you have all of your landing pages and forms. On the button here that says create new, click on create new and it will give you a list of templates that you can pick for a landing page. Note that you also have templates for forms, but we're not going to talk about it in this video. Click on landing page and you will have lots of templates depending on what it is that you want to achieve with your landing page. For most cases, it's going to be something of a free download, an event, a podcast, a product, a showcase, a video, or a wait list to join a program that you are coming up with, and so on. Please do remember that any template you pick can be completely changed depending on what it is that you're trying to offer. So let's go to something very simple like a newsletter, and let's say you preview this, then you'll get to actually see the whole landing page preview, and you also have other similar landing pages that you could pick. Swap this image and make changes to your content, the heading, the subheading, and what you need here as an email sign up form, and your landing page is ready. So the kind of landing pages that you have on Kit are basically just click and change and swap things around kind of landing pages, unlike Unbounce or other landing page builders that are inherently a lot more well-featured landing page builders where you can practically drag and drop things around. These are mobile responsive, these are clean, these are simple, but the big benefit is that you are getting landing pages with your email marketing provider. Getting back to a landing page that we are trying to edit, one of the other templates that I picked. Now the big question is, how do you even plan on what to give away and what kind of content makes for great value for people to sign up? I have a folder inside my drive which says lead magnets and content upgrades. These are specifically the things that I would want to give away no matter where I'm doing a campaign, whether it's organic on my blog, on my social media, or within my videos. When you want to make changes to any element on the landing page, just select that and make changes right there, and then I could add a subheading there as well and add it here. Now if you wanted to add anything specific, anything else, then you would have to just go to a new paragraph and you will see a little plus icon to the left side, and if you click on that, you have options to insert an image, a file, a button, a divider, a countdown timer, a video, embed HTML, showcase your products if you're trying to sell products, and so on. You also have access to numbered lists. You could go with an unordered list here. Type in everything that I can offer. So I'll just add in what I'm giving away. Change the font size here, add emoji here, and there you go. And I can make all of these changes. Now you can change the font colors here as well. So I could come to this part here and change the font color to something that's more on brand. I could get to this piece of content here and click on this little icon and change the brand color here as well. I can also change all of the other things that are here on the side. If I wanted to change the image, I just click on the element. I want to replace this image, get to the right side panel here, click on replace and choose an image to upload. There you go. Now I wanted to change all of these elements that are looking yellow. Click on save for now. On general styles, can change the border to something that's more relevant to my brand. Come to sidebar background and change it to the same color. There you go. For this, I'm going to change the font color to white. So I'm going to pick something that's very light. You can add a testimonial here and then your landing page is ready to go. This is your main landing page. So if someone were to sign up with their first name and their email address, I'm going to change the call to action here as well. So if somebody were to sign up with this form on this landing page, they are going to be led to a thank you page. Thing like an interstitial page where you add a little more that says thank you so much. If you want to cross sell, or if you want to do some kind of upselling, or if you wanted to give away a one-time offer, this page also happens to play that role. For now, it's just going to say thank you for signing up. As usual, you can make changes to anything you want. So once the thank you page shows up, then you can actually go into settings and make all other changes that you need for your landing page inside Kit. So let's say you want to add a custom domain, you could do that here. The first email that somebody gets after they sign up, Kit calls it an incentive email, can be sent once your new subscribers sign up with the form, and you can even click on edit email contents, and the first email that you would want to send is a double opt-in confirmation email. So you would want people to click on confirm your subscription so that you know that lead is a better quality than anybody who's signing up random. And you can also make changes to this particular button style. You could go back and add color here, and you could make it more branded. You can also add more content here if you wanted to. I would highly recommend you do add content and personalize it. I do not recommend you to auto confirm new subscribers. That leads to lower lead quality after confirming that particular email. So if you were giving a PDF document, for example, you could choose a file, add the file here, and this file will automatically be sent to them. Or you could have them go to another page where they get access to all of the things that you promised on your landing page. You have a few more advanced options here where you can enable reCAPTCHA. You can send subscriber data to the thank you page here. You can also add a little more here for SEO purposes and connect this to Google Analytics so that you can track. You can also use Google Tag Manager to track these pages. And once you click on publish, if you'd like to get started with Kit, get yourself a copy of Kit for free at fetchprofits.com/ConvertKit. They have very generous plans to begin with, so you can get started right away for free. The links are also in the description below. So this is how you go about building landing pages in Kit. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out to me. If you like the video, please do like it and share it. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.